endangered species around the world. This week, I did a school project on endangered species, and I found out some really interesting and worrying facts. Did you know that the list of endangered species is getting longer as more animals face extinction every year? Arcel 14. If one species is endangered, then all species are endangered. Post a comment.
Baiji dolphin, China. This freshwater dolphin is one of the world's rarest mammals. It is 2.5 meters long and swims only in the Yangtze River. Along this river, there are many fishing villages, and overfishing threatens these unique dolphins. There are only a few left. Will they survive?
Saiga antelope, Kazakhstan. The saiga antelope lives on the steppe of Central Asia. It has a large nose that helps it to breathe during the dusty summer. In 2015, many of them died because of a disease. They are now critically endangered and maybe only 50,000 survive. Luckily, now the saiga population in central Kazakhstan is increasing.
Bridled nail-tailed wallaby, Australia. Australia is famous for kangaroos, but this species of small kangaroo is facing extinction. There are only 500 left because of overhunting. The bridled nail-tailed wallaby now lives only in Taunton National Park, Queensland.